Cuddle in, kids. Pirates Don't Change Diapers by Melinda Long. Pirates don't change diapers. They don't even change socks. I know, because I used to be a pirate, but that's another story. Jeremy Jacob, I have to go get some milk. Your dad's taking a nap, so try not to bother him. If your sister wakes up, try to keep her happy. I'll be back soon. Mom had hardly been gone a minute when I heard a knock on the door. I peeked through the peephole. There were some old friends on the front porch. "Ahoy there, Jeremy Jacob! Are we ever glad to see you?" said Captain Braidbeard. "We be needin' the treasure we buried in your backyard." "Treasure!" the pirates repeated. "What with all that yelling, my baby sister woke up. It's a miracle my dad didn't wake up too." That's how the pirates became babysitters. Dress Up Extraordinaire. Blue jeans, orange striped t-shirt, old brown belt, flip-flops, bandana. Puppets. Arr, ahoy, I'm a pirate. Hello, I'm a parrot, and I will be your translator. That means I will help you understand what this pirate is saying. Blimey, that's a really smart parrot. Why, thank you. Kids, blimey is pirate for wow. Shiver me timbers. That means the pirate is surprised and a little scared. Avast. I am not scared. Avast means stop, and yes, you are a little scared. Avast, bird. I was once marooned for a fortnight on yonder island looking for booty. Even if you were stranded on an island for 2 weeks looking for treasure, you're still a little scared. Aye, blimey, you're a smart bird. Yes, I am. Thank you.